Hi, hi.
Assalamu alaikum.
Hello.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Hi, everyone is there. Hania, Rubina. Where is Hania? Aisha
Walaikum assalam.
Yes, Mama, she's joining.
is joining. Fadila, hi Fadila. Horika, Fadila, Amira, and Wasima is the first team, right? Where are other guys are missing? Raisul Islam is missing. Everyone ready with their project? Hello, Sahim. Where is Nasiha, Hania? So, who who wants to present first now? Shaheen, can you go first?
Yeah, okay, fine.
You want to go first? Okay, cool. So we have,
Let me just log into my Scratch ID.
yeah, you can log in. We have Tasin Uncle as a chief guest. He will be the one assessing your project. Okay, guys? Your marks will be estimated by Uncle Tasin.
Second scratch, okay.
Alaikum salam. So today the kids are presenting Scratch block-based coding and Python. In that,
Okay,
so you can estimate like how the logic, how the creativity.
okay.
So you have the form right.
Yeah, I have the phone.
So Amira, Fadila, Wasima, you will be the next one to present. Okay, be ready. After 15 minutes, practice if you want. Shaheen will be presenting now.
It's saying that host has disabled
Yeah,
speech.
I'm doing it now. Sorry. Yeah, you can share the screen.
So this is my project. So there's this cat over here. So basically, he's asking, "What's your name?" and he's asking your age. If the age is above 17, then he will say you are eligible for driving. But then if it's not, he will say you are too young to drive. So if you're like eligible for driving, it, it, it will go into some like small game I made. So if you're like not eligible for driving, it's like that's it for the program. So I'll just run it right now. So first points is basically the okay. I'll just explain it as I. So enter your name. So if I put like below 17, like for example 13, you are too young to drive, and that's the like end of the program. But if I write like above 17, press the spacebar to proceed in your driving test. So it's like a small game I just made after this. So I'll just press the spacebar now. And so this is the instructor basically. He's just telling all the like instructions like of the program. So we should not hit the person. If we hit the person, our points will be equal to 0, and then we lose the game. But then if we hit this sign over here, only 1 point will be lost. And also to win the game, we have to park in the specific parking lot, which will keep on moving. So we have to win the game, we have to get 6 points. So now I'll press 1 to start the game. So the person, he will just keep on moving in the parking lot.
Hello. So points are over, right? Nice.
Yeah. Supposed to policeman supposed to come and say you've lost.
Very nice. Very nice. Very great. Good job. Nice creativity. So, do you have something to show in Python?
Yeah, this
Do you have anything in Python? Hello.
is
Still on the so Scratch we have still more.